Video lecture number 1.28 and problem 1.1 on ideal gas and their properties. Problem statement. 1 kg of ideal gas is heated from 18.3 degrees Celsius to 93.4 degrees Celsius. Assuming capital R is a characteristic gas constant is equal to 0.264 kilojoule per kg Kelvin and gamma is equal to 1.8 for the gas. Find specific heats. Number 2, change in internal energy, and number 3, change in enthalpy. Now in this problem, I will follow all the steps like drawing the schematic, writing the given things, and find assumptions if any and detailed calculations. So as it is mentioned in the problem, 1 kg of ideal gas is heated. So let us consider a closed container where 1 kg of gas is there and it is heated. So this forms the basis of our control volume and control surface, and figure represents heating of gas. So this is required schematic of the problem. After drawing the required schematic, let us enlist all the given parameters. Here mass of the gas is given as 1 kg. Temperature is given as 18.3 degrees Celsius. I will convert it into absolute temperature. So this will be 291.3 Kelvin, and final temperature T2 is equal to 93.4 plus 273, so it will be 360.4 Kelvin. The value of characteristic gas constant for the gas under consideration is given as 0.264 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and value of adiabatic index gamma is 1.18. These are the given values. Number 3, assumption. So we can assume here the given system is a closed system and process is non-flow process. So this is the assumption I can make here. Then point number 4, find. So what we are supposed to find out? Specific heats, change in internal energy and change in enthalpy. So symbolically I can represent point number 1 as Cp and Cv, point number 2 as delta U during 1 to 2 process, and point number 3 change in enthalpy delta capital H during the process 1 to 2. Now let us do the required calculations. Now one more suggestion I will be giving here. If it is asked to calculate the required parameters point wise, you are also Suppose to do the calculations point wise. Okay. And once again, before doing the calculations, I'll be writing the basic formula. PV is equal to MRT, RU is equal to R into M. General gas equation P1 B1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. Then delta U1 to 2 MCV T2 minus T1 and delta H1 to 2 MCP T2 minus T1. We have also one more general equation, Cp minus Cv is equal to R and Cp by Cv is equal to gamma. Now let us do the calculations one by one. So the very first calculation is to calculate Cp and Cv value. Now as you can see, we have two relationships between Cp minus Cv is equal to R and Cp over Cv is equal to gamma. Let's say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. If you solve equation number 1 and 2 simultaneously, what you will get? You will get the expression for Cv as R over gamma minus 1 and expression for Cp as gamma into R over gamma minus 1. I am not doing that exercise because I know the expressions for Cv and Cp. So from equation 3, let us calculate the value of Cv. Cv is equal to the value of R is 0.264 over the value of gamma is 1.18 minus 1 and the unit of C will be unit of R, that is kilojoule per kg per Kelvin. So from here the value of Cv comes out 1.47 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. This will be the first answer. Similarly, either you can select equation number 2 or equation number 4. I am selecting equation 4. Cp will be gamma R over gamma minus 1. So 1.18 into 0.264 over 1.18 minus 1. So from here the value of Cp comes out 1.73 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. This is answer number 2 of first part. So this way we could calculate value of Cp and Cv, that is first part. Now second is change in internal energy. Now let us do calculations To calculate the change in total internal energy, now we have this formula for change in internal energy, m into Cv into T2 minus T1. Mass of the gas is given as 1. Just now we have calculated the value of Cv as 1.47. T2, the value of T2 is, oh this, please correct this. This is 366.4 Kelvin. T2 is 366.4 minus T1 is 291.3 degrees Celsius. So from here, change in internal energy during this process 1 to 2 comes out 130 kilojoule. So this is the required answer number 2. You can also do the unit calculations, as unit of mass is kg, unit of Cv is kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and temperature difference, whether you take in degrees Celsius or Kelvin, it is same. So this way we will get the unit of change in internal energy as delta U 1 to 2. Similarly, change in enthalpy. So we have formula for change in enthalpy as m Cp T2 minus T1. Once again, we have the value of m as 1 and Cp as 1.73 into 366.4 minus 291.3. Oh, please correct this. This value will be 101.57 kilojoule, and change in enthalpy during the process comes out 130 kilojoule. So this is the required answer number 3. So this way you can solve the problem.